Hello everyone, today I'm checking out the Portin record player stand with vinyl storage, a 3-tier turntable stand that also works great as a general storage shelf for your setup. This was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Inside the box, everything is neatly labeled, which makes the assembly process straightforward. First, inside the box, 2 dividers labeled number 6, 2 back supports labeled number 5, installation instructions, 4 adjustable legs, all screws needed for the installation, 4 metal frames labeled 4, and 3 vintage-style wooden boards for tiers 1, 2, and 3. For the assembly, the guide doesn't include any written instructions, it's all illustrations, but honestly, it's very easy to follow. The labeling helps a lot, and the steps are simple and intuitive, and I had no issues putting it together. The first step I did was to attach the 4 legs. Next, I attach the divider and 2 frames. Then I attach the number 2 panel. Next is to install the second tier frames. Then install the top wooden board. Next, I attach the divider and tighten the screws. Then lastly, I attach the 2 metal back supports. Now that it's fully assembled, let me show you how I'm actually using it. Because I won't be using this for vinyl storage, I'm using this stand for my classic vintage acoustic amplifier, my 3D printed models, my headphones, and my Xbox controllers. The M-shaped divider ended up being perfect for my 3D printed controller holder. It hangs my Xbox controller cleanly and keeps it accessible. The top tier fits my Flatzones amplifier perfectly. I can plug in my guitar and play right from here without moving anything around. The bottom tier is where I hang my 2 headphones. The divider works surprisingly well as a headphone hanger too. The classic vintage wood finish matches my acoustic guitar amplifier and gives the whole setup a warm, retro look. One thing I really appreciate, the dividers are removable, so if you ever want to place a larger item or rearrange the layout, you can take the divider out and customize the space. I might actually turn this into a dedicated display shelf for my 3D printed models someday. I do a lot of 3D prints, mostly characters, so having a flexible shelf like this is super useful for displaying them. The removable dividers make it easy to repurpose depending on what I want to showcase. Overall, even though this stand is marketed for vinyl storage, it's versatile enough to fit a lot of different setups. The build feels solid, the assembly is simple, and the vintage wood design ties everything together nicely. If you're looking for a compact 3-tier shelf for gear, accessories, or a small audio setup, this one works really great. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.